In this video, we're going to go over a series of steps to go through for virtual assistants, anyone putting together a quote using the home model calculator for window cleaning quotes. So using the quote calculator, whenever we're putting together window cleaning quotes, these are some of the considerations you're going to have to make. So let's jump to the calculator real quick. So here we have all of the variables that matter when putting together a window cleaning quote. Let it load real quick. Once it does that, you can see that the only boxes that are entered here are the ones that matter. So we're going to look at distance fee, as covered in another video. That's from the starting location, oftentimes the meeting location, our office maybe, to the drive, to the appointment. So let's say in this case, it's 9 miles, pretty average drive. Also average, the number of window panes here is 35. That's, really mediocre in terms of that might be a median for a number of window panes for a house. It's not too small. It's not too big. So 35 is a believable number. We're going to skip all the other boxes because if we're just providing a quote for window cleaning and it's the base house, for example, no sunroom, we'll cover that later. These are the only boxes you're going to enter, distance 9 and window panes being 35. After that, you're going to go to the boxes after making sure that the numbers are presented correctly from C2 to C7. You're going to go to the boxes from D9 to D16, and you're going to make sure that we have the appropriate boxes checked. So as discussed, the base appointment fee always going to be checked. Gated community, it's only going to be checked when we're working a gated community. So let's say in this case, we're working a gated community. So it's identified as one. Let's check it, make sure we're charging it accordingly. OSHA roof safety fee, this one's always going to stay on. It's only going to charge it when it's appropriate. So for instance, 2-story window cleaning, we're going to charge for roof safety because we might have to get on the roof. So let's always keep it checked. It's only going to charge it when appropriate. So keep the base appointment fee checked, check the gated community if applicable. OSHA roof safety, keep checked all the time. Let's say in this case, we've identified the home has a Spanish tile roof. So let's identify that by checking that box, making sure that we're charging accordingly for a Spanish tile roof, which we'll cover in another video as well. And then let's say in this case, the home has one garage door with windows. So most homes in the US, in the Sacramento area, pretty much every home is going to have a garage. That garage is going to have a garage door. Sometimes garage doors have windows on them, like 4 or 8 little windows looking into the garage, letting light in. So let's, in this case, we might clean those windows. So we're going to charge accordingly. Whenever we see that a garage door that we're cleaning at has windows, then we're going to check, does it have 1 or 2 of those accordingly? So let's say in this case, it has 1. So after we've identified and input all the right numbers, check the right boxes, we're going to scroll down to rows 27 and 28, where it's going to show the window cleaning price for 1 and 2-story homes. So make sure to put, if you're giving a quote for 1-story home, which 35 window panes, 1 garage door, typically that's going to be a 1-story. So make sure to use the numbers in row 27 from cell B27 to D27. And then let's say if it's a small 2-story house, perhaps, maybe this case it is, we're going to charge using the numbers from B28 to D28. So look at row 28. So that's how you are going to use the quote calculator when putting a quote together for window cleaning. Make sure the numbers and checkboxes are checked and input appropriately, and then go to the window cleaning box from row 27 and 28 to enter the right numbers. So that's the process to use the quote calculator for window cleaning quotes.